Okay, so welcome back, and we've completed the Pullman power car, or the blue Pullman power car. It's complete in the sense that it should run, and it's had a good clean. We've cleaned all the little lamps on the tables, and still got to make a window for the front. I suppose we can do that. So the bodywork's had a good clean. I think it's turned out pretty nice, isn't it, John?
Yeah.
Anyway, so I think we'll give it a test on the layout, shall we?
Can do.
So 1 second. It's just okay. So we're back on the layout, and we've put a couple of brown and cream Pullman coaches with it, Annie and Car 78, because we haven't got the rest of the train. So okay, John, I'll give it a try. That's it, nice and slowly. You can see it down the back end of the layout. It don't like running on Series 3 track, does it?
No.
Right, try it. Okay, there it goes. Okay, you can stop it in the station. Well, they've got a station at the moment. Okay, so there you go. That's another one restored. I think it looks quite nice with him, Pullman coaches, didn't it? Didn't it? Different, didn't it? But anyway, okay. Thanks for watching, and more coming soon. Bye for now. Say bye, John.